Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and installing required packages. Check that your Wi-Fi adapter supports AP mode with ILList because a client-only adapter won't work. Once confirmed, install hostapt and dnsmask with apt. This gives you the access point and DHCP services. Stop both services before editing files so they don't overwrite changes. Make sure you have sudo access and note your primary internet interface name. You'll bridge or NAT traffic from that interface to the hotspot. Now you configure hostapt and dnsmask so clients get addresses and connect. In hostapt, conf set SSID interface HW mode equals G channel and strong WPA2 passphrase. This controls the wireless network. Assign a static IP to the WLAN interface, commonly 192, 168. 50. 1. Using DHCP-CD or NetPlan, dnsmask will hand out addresses within that subnet. Configure dnsmask to give a DHCP range and point to the gateway. Once done, test configs with hostapt DD and dnsmask test for errors before enabling services. Finally, enable NAT so connected devices reach the internet. Turn on IP forwarding immediately and persistently. Then add an iptables masquerade rule that NATs traffic from the hotspot subnet to your internet interface. Save the rules so they survive reboot. Start and enable hostapt and dnsmask with systemtool. Once running, connect a client and verify internet access and DHCP lease. If clients fail, check logs, journalctal u hostapt and dnsmask, ensure no channel conflict, and verify the Wi-Fi adapter supports AP mode as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.